told him I take the money off, he gotta say, he gotta say Donetto sandwich.
With your sandwich,
yeah, sandwich. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one. Man, this sun is beaming. But welcome to another day in my life as a car dealer. As you can see, all the vehicles have snow on them, except for this Infiniti. Man, we got cars still coming. It's been winter. I know everybody wonder where I've been at, but I live in Ohio. I don't live down south, so unfortunately, that's just what it is. We've been having blizzards and all type of stuff. This is a day in my life, but I'm gonna put days in my life because I've actually been vlogging for a couple days. It's been a couple holidays, Valentine's Day, President's Day. Still sell vehicles with this weather we've been having. We've been having bad weather for a few months, but let me tell you about this little headache. Man, this is a real nice vehicle. This Volvo 2012 Volvo S60, man, it look real nice. I think it got navigation, don't quote me on that, but I know it got like everything. But when I got there, I had very much troubles with it. So I'm gonna insert the clips of everything from that day right now. Y'all like my hat? I like these hats. All right, y'all, so we are up here with the Volvo, about to get our first look at her. I got the keys and they already got the cheese. Oh, I bought this through ACV, so I haven't looked at it yet. Let's look at it together, I guess. See, I'm looking at it with y'all. I just got the keys. This is the kind of keys it got. So yeah. Let's see if the key fob works. I heard something click, so guessing it did. Man, it's not rusty, crusty. A little snow ash, but it's not dusty. Look at this, y'all. Nature. Man, y'all, this nice. Let me see the inside. Is it another? Oh yeah, we got another navigational system. I've been winning lately. No sunroof, but it's clean in here. Yes, man, let's go. Yeah, y'all. Let's see. Volvo time. It's oil in there, guys. Could use an oil change, of course. Man, I ain't really been buying no cheap ones. I don't think I'm gonna do cheap ones on the channel anymore because, you know, I gave you guys a couple inches, you guys took a couple miles. Oh, this is just like the Infiniti. Let's see if it got, you know, juice. All right. I don't think it got no gas. I don't think it got no gas. Let me see. Hope it ain't got no gas. Mad.
It's going to be a startup of a 2012 Volvo S60 T5.
We got a little steam and smoke. We've been here over an hour trying to get this car to start. We're gonna try to make it home to the mechanic. I don't know what this is. I changed the air and it moved over here and it's going away, so I don't know. I know they said it's been sitting for a while, so I'm gonna drive it around the corner real fast, see if I blow up or not. This car has been a headache. All right, let's take a look at it. It's giving steam now. Yeah. See, steam is okay, but smoke is bad. I don't know. We're gonna get this down to the mechanic and hope for the best. some of that today. We didn't make it home, but I do have the car getting towed. Other than everything that was going on, the car actually drove really good. When it's something that I feel like I can't do on my own, that's when I call in a mechanic. Y'all ready for the new car? Dodge Magnum. Not too shabby. This is my first look at her. I'm just showing you a realistic day in my life. I don't want to just show y'all every win if I take a loss, which I'm a winner. Like, I win a lot. So this is like a rare L for me. This right here, the Magnum, is sold. Hit me, boys. Bye bye Magnum. So now that you've seen all that's going on with the 2012 Volvo, we finally got it down here. They just towed it down here. What them little dogs doing? What that dog doing? So now we can have the mechanic look at it and see what's going on with it. See if it's something worth fixing. Before we take this Honda Pilot, because y'all know I buy a lot of Hondas. This little snickerdoodle, man, this run real good, drive real good. It's a Volvo, 1998 Volvo, and if you know anything about them, they got 2 hood latches. So it was already a little problem I was having with the hood latch. Customer came and kind of broke the hood latch all the way because I was looking for the right tool for it and he used the wrong tool. And long story short, he ripped all the stuff off to get to the hood, so now I can't get to it. He left a deposit, took a week and a half because of the weather, and still isn't gonna come get it. I'm gonna let y'all know like next video about that little Volvo. I ain't feeling Volvos right now, I ain't gonna lie. You know something that's a big reason that I had an issue with that Volvo ACV? They didn't put that it was a used car dealer on this one, because I would have never bought a vehicle from a used car dealer. I told y'all in like one of my, maybe my 3rd video, I told y'all that I only buy from new car dealers, and if I was at an auction, I only like to buy from new car dealers and banks. Because if it's from another small car dealership, if you can't sell it, how am I gonna sell it? Like, if you're having an issue selling a vehicle this nice and you have other vehicles around this year, around this condition, what's wrong with this vehicle that you couldn't just sell this yourself? It gotta be something that you either couldn't sell or it just was something wrong with it. I tried to buy trade-ins from big new car dealerships. Being the reason that they don't sell these vehicles is because they're probably too old or too many miles. I think today is gonna be a boring rest of the day. I just gotta do little corny stuff. Like, I gotta go take this to UPS because they gotta fix this title, so I gotta mail it back to them. I may get a sale. If I do, I'll try to pick the camera back up. I don't know if I said this already, but tax season is approaching. It's really not here. It doesn't really make a huge difference for me, but we're gonna be vlogging during tax season. I'm on the way to the lot right now. I got somebody interested in that 2007 Honda Pilot that I just posted today. So yeah, it's like late. It's past my bedtime. I go to bed at like 7 p.m. But I wanted to end the vlog with a sale, so we'll see if we could get a sale or not. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's it right there. That's the Honda. Got snow on it, but yeah, let's see what we can do. They about to pull up. Yep, they about to pull up. Hold on. Look. Hey, y'all, I don't usually put them in my videos. wait. Hold on. Hold it up. I told him I take the money off. He gotta say, he gotta say the netto sandwich. Sandwich. Yeah. Well, it's safe to say we did it, y'all. Yeah. All right, I got you, man. I got you. Yeah. All right, I got you. There they go. They out of here. You know they was getting it when they came in the Toyota. You know they was getting the Hondeezy. Yep. Another one bites the dust. Hey, man. Dude was funny, man. Hey, he needed me to give him $100 off because he's not even from this country. He's not even from here. He's from the Honduras, And then he came and traveled 3 hours away or 2 hours away to get to me. Oh my God, he was funny, man. Do nothing but laugh, because I told him that the price was for me. I gave him the $100 off. I threw in a free 45-day tag for him, man. I'm like, listen, man, you gotta say one thing. And I should have said, you gotta say winner, winner, chicken dinner. But I wasn't thinking. So I'm like, he gave me different color denomination, however you say that, of money. So I'm like, this a ham sandwich. I'm like, you gotta say ham sandwich. And he don't speak not a lick of English. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, dinero. He like, dinero. He like, so when I start the video, he like, mucho dinero. Yeah, y'all, man, this what it is, man. We have fun with it. We gotta have fun with it. I do not be putting my customers on there, but he talk about he gonna be in, he like, I'm gonna bring you more customers. I'm gonna be in all your, in a YouTube video every time I come. I'm like, all right, man. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I had to end with a sale. Since I ain't have him say it, you know I gotta say it. That Honda Pilot was a winner, winner chicken dinner.